Top 5 Best Survival Candles. Our top picks for the best candle for emergencies. Whether you're suffering through a power outage or you're out in the elements, being able to see your surroundings is incredibly important. Lugging flashlights and expensive spare batteries around can weigh you down, and they're not always reliable. Survival candles can be a more cost-effective option that require no maintenance for long-term storage, unlike battery-powered lights. When users buy our independently chosen editorial selections, we may earn commissions to help fund the review part. Number 1 Stonebriar 200 Pack.
Long-burning candles by Stonebriar bring a beautiful atmospheric light to the room, no matter what your setting may be. We want you to get the most out of your Stonebriar candles, so we have created this best practices guide to ensure a safer, longer burn. First, always place the candle on an even surface that is protected against shocks that could bump or tip the candle over. And always keep the candle out of reach from pets and children. Second, keep the wick trimmed to 1/4 inch in length. For an even wax melt, be sure to burn the candle for at least 4 hours when lighting for the first time. Third, keep the candle away from drafts like open windows, fans, and vents to prevent the candle from flickering and smoking and to avoid possible spills. Fourth, never place the candle near flammable items like curtains, towels, and plants. Fifth, do not blow the candle out. Instead, use a long heat-resistant tool to dip the wick in wax to extinguish. Immediately straighten the wick back up once the flame is out, but be careful, the wax and wick will be very hot. Sixth, and most important, never leave the candle unattended. Always keep an eye on the candle when burning. If you keep these best practices in mind, you will greatly enjoy our candles, and we will keep working hard to provide you with quality, long-burning candles. Thank you for choosing Stonebriar.
Number 2 UCO Original Lantern. Crazy Sale.
This cooler can handle it, right? Theoretically.
Number 3 SE3 Wick. Home Light Steel Light Candles. Crazy Sale. Number 5 UCO 9-Hour White Candles. Crazy Sale.